Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some Cottagecore style home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Cottagecore style home decor is an interior design style inspired by the charm of simple countryside living. It creates a cozy, peaceful, and nostalgic atmosphere by combining vintage furniture, natural materials, handmade items, and soft, earthy colors. The goal is to make your home feel warm, welcoming, and connected to nature. Here are some Cottagecore style home decorating tips. One of the easiest ways to create a cottagecore home is to embrace the beauty of imperfection. Instead of filling your rooms with brand new matching furnitures, choose pieces that look as though they have been collected over many years. A slightly worn wooden table, a vintage rocking chair, or an antique cabinet with natural signs of age adds personality and warmth. Cottagecore celebrates the stories behind each piece, making your home feel authentic rather than perfectly staged. Natural fabrics are another essential part of cottagecore decorating. Choose linen curtains that gently move with the breeze, cotton bedding for everyday comfort, and crochet or knitted blankets that add warmth and texture. Mixing different fabrics create a layered look that feels cozy and inviting. Floral prints, gingham patterns, lace trim, and embroidered details enhance the traditional countryside charm without overwhelming the room. Decorating with items that have a personal story gives cottagecore interiors a meaningful touch. Display family heirlooms, handmade pottery, vintage books, framed botanical illustrations, or treasured sovereigns collected over time. Rather than hiding these items in storage, arrange them on shelves, mantels, or side tables, where they can become part of your everyday surroundings. This approach creates a home that reflects your personality instead of following short-lived decorating trends. A cottagecore kitchen should feel welcoming and lived in. Keep wooden cutting boards, ceramic mixing bowls, oven baskets, glass jars filled with pantry staples, and fresh herbs within easy reach. Window treatments can dramatically influence the atmosphere of a cottagecore home. Lightweight linen or cotton curtains allow natural sunlight to fill the room while creating a soft, airy appearance. Fragrance is often overlooked but plays an important role in creating a cottagecore atmosphere. Fill your home with natural scents such as lavender, vanilla, rosemary, fresh bread, cinnamon, or dried herbs. Avoid overcrowding your space with decorations. Cottagecore is about thoughtful simplicity rather than filling every surface. Leave room for natural light, comfortable movement, and quiet moments. A beautiful cottagecore home often includes a variety of natural textures that make every room feel warm and inviting. Mix oven baskets, wooden furniture, stone accessories, ceramic pottery, and soft fabrics throughout your home. Creating small, cozy corners throughout your home is another hallmark of cottagecore style. A window seat with soft cushions, a vintage chair beside a bookshelf, or a small breakfast nook can become a favorite place to relax. Wall decor should tell a story rather than simply fill empty space. Hang botanical prints, landscape paintings, vintage mirrors, embroidered hoops, pressed flowers in wooden frames. Mixing different frame sizes and styles creates a collected, personal gallery that reflects the charm of an old countryside cottage. Storage can also become part of the decoration in a cottagecore home. Instead of hiding everything behind closed doors, use wicker baskets, wooden crates, ceramic rocks, and glass jars to organize everyday items. Plants are an essential finishing touch. Combine trailing plants like ivy or pothos with flowering varieties such as African violets or orchids to create different heights and textures. One of the most charming aspects of cottagecore is celebrating every rituals. Instead of rushing through daily tasks, create beautiful spaces that encourage slow living. Arrange a cozy tea station with vintage tea cups, a ceramic teapot, glass jars of loose leaf tea, and a small vase of fresh flowers. Layering vintage accessories is another effective way to achieve a cottagecore look. Rather than buying a matching decor set, combine pieces from different eras and styles. Soft window seating is another signature cottagecore feature. If you have a window with enough space, add a comfortable cushion, a few floral pillows, and a lightweight throw blanket. Decorate shelves with a balanced mix of practical and decorative items. Combine everyday dishes with small potted plants, vintage books, ceramic pictures, framed artwork, and oven baskets. A cottagecore home feels most inviting when every room has a sense of warmth and purpose. Instead of filling spaces with unnecessary furniture, choose pieces that are both beautiful and functional. Pay close attention to the small decorative details that bring a room to life. Replace modern plastic containers with ceramic jars, glass bottles, oven baskets, or wooden boxes. Textiles play a major role in cottagecore interiors. Layer a quilt over crisp cotton bedding. Place a crocheted throw across a favorite chair, and add embroidered cushions to sofas and window seats. Celebrate the beauty of natural light by keeping windows as open and airy as possible. Use sheer linen curtains that gently filter sunlight instead of heavy drapes. Create displays that reflect your hobbies and interest. If you enjoy gardening, showcase small potted herbs and watering cans. If you love baking, display wooden rolling pins, ceramic mixing bowls, and vintage recipe books. If you crochet or knit, keep handmade blankets or baskets of yarn visible. Decorating with items you actually use makes your home feel genuine and full of personality. One of the easiest ways to strengthen a cottagecore atmosphere is by incorporating vintage-inspired artwork throughout your home. Choose botanical illustrations, watercolor landscapes, pressed flower frames, or countryside paintings that reflect nature's beauty. A cottagecore home should also feel connected to the outdoors. Whenever possible, open the windows to let in fresh air and natural sounds such as bird song or gentle rain. The dining area deserves special attention because cottagecore celebrates gathering around the table. Use a linen tablecloth, vintage china, cloth napkins, ceramic pitchers, and fresh flowers as everyday decor instead of saving them for special occasions. Instead of relying on trendy decorations, invest in timeless pieces that never go out of style. A solid oak bookshelf, a classic rocking chair, a cast iron candle holder, or a beautiful crafted quilt can remain beautiful for decades. Another important element is creating visual balance throughout your rooms. Mix larger furniture with smaller decorative accents, combining smooth surfaces with textured fabrics, and balance floral patterns with solid neutral colors. Finally, let your home reflect the rhythm of everyday life. Display a favorite cookbook in the kitchen. Leave a woven basket beside the sofa for blankets. Keep a vase of seasonal flowers on the dining table and arrange books where they invite you to sit and read. Thanks for watching the video.